Hello and welcome. If you're using the PictureThis app to identify plants but can't access the camera, this video will guide you through the steps to grant camera permissions on your Android device. First, locate the PictureThis app icon on your home screen. Next, press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Then, tap on App Info to open the app settings. After that, select Permissions to view and manage the app's access rights. Now find and tap on Camera to adjust its settings. Finally, choose Allow only while using the app to grant the necessary permissions for the plant identification. By following these steps, you'll enable the PictureThis app to access your camera, allowing you to identify plants effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.